Hello students. Previous video was about Maharashtra before Shivaji Maharaj. Did you enjoy that video? So today our second video will be about saints. Many saints were born in Maharashtra and what these saints did. So let's start with chapter 2, Work of the Saints. That Maharashtra was ruled by the sultans. The people were so miserable under the sultan's rule that they forgot all the rules of being good. So there were some people in Maharashtra who saw this and decided to first teach everyone to be good themselves. Then they could come together and fight against the evil sultans. These teachers were called the saints. The saints did a lot of work for the people. They made people understand that the reason they were feeling terrible was something that they could change. They taught people various virtues like compassion, non-violence, charity, service, equality, and brotherhood. No one is inferior, no one is superior, all are equal. Such was the sentiment that was created by sants in the minds of people. Maharashtra, or the land of the Marathas, produced a large number of saints, but those born between the 13th and the 17th centuries are famous in its social and cultural history. Among these Maratha saints, the names of Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Namdev, Sant Eknath, Sant Tukaram, and Samarth Ramdas are the most prominent. The tradition of sants that began in Maharashtra with Shri Chakradhar, Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Chokhamela was continued by sants coming from various strata of society. In this group of sants are included Sant Goroba, Sant Savata, Sant Narhari, Sant Eknath, Sant Sheikh Mohammad, Sant Tukaram, Sant Niloba, etc. Similarly, Sant Janabai, Sant Soirabai, Sant Nirmalabai, Sant Muktabai, Sant Kanopatra, and Sant Bahinabai Shirukar are also included. Similarly, Samarth Ramdas also rendered his work in Maharashtra. We are going to learn about some saints. Let's start with Shri Chakradhar Swami, 1267. Shri Chakradhar Swami propounded his philosophy like Shri Krishna. From among the 5 Krishnas, he was born in Bharuch, Gujarat. Although he was of Gujarati by birth, he had an excellent command of the Marathi language. He discoursed his philosophy extremely effectively among the people in their own language. Shri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince from Gujarat and became ascetic. Ascetic means a person who dedicates his or her life for religious reasons. Shri Chakradhar Swami moved all over Maharashtra teaching equality. He did not believe in any unjust treatment of different categories of people, especially on the grounds of race, age, or gender. So many people became, whether it is men or women, became his followers. He established a sect known as Mahanubhav sect. The definition of a sect is a small division of a larger group, especially a religious group. An example of sect is an extreme branch of a religion. Sri Chakradhar Swami's memorable incidents from his life have been composed, that is collected in a book titled Leela Charitra. Now children, before starting or knowing about next sant, let's know the fact about Sri Chakradhar Swami. Let us revise. Who was Sri Chakradhar Swami? Sri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince from Gujarat. He wandered all over Maharashtra. He taught equality to both men and women and people of all caste. He did not believe in any unjust treatment of different categories of people. He did not believe in grouping people by gender or caste. Several men and women became his followers. He established a group or sect called Mahanubhav. An example of sect is an extreme branch of a religion. A book about him, Leela Charitra, is said to have all the secrets of the